Look at that. Size 9.5, man. That is heat, you guys. That's what LeBron 10, John Elliott's. LeBron 17, Lakers colorway. Look at this, all black. All black, man. These are the brand new ones, all black. The Mellow 13s. Social status 6s, you guys. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. And we're doing another Nike Outlet video, you guys, because that's what you guys seem to like. So yeah, and that's kind of what I do, I guess. So yeah, we're in the city of Orange, California. I've only been to this outlet like once or twice. They actually have like a bunch of stores. They have a Finish Line. They got all kinds of stuff here. So might make a couple videos. So yeah, let's go see what we find, you guys. Get some deals. Get some deals and steals. What's up? Oh shit, look at this line. Holy crap, look at this line. Yeah, we went to Long Beach. It was definitely not that packed. Holy crap. I hope they didn't take all the heat, man. Hope they didn't take all the heat. Got some signs. Good news, you guys. 20% off entire purchase. 20% off entire purchase. Start with the size 10, 10.5. Do that. Oh, see the man. Look at this. Some Jordan 1 low. Fearless. Look at this. We're starting off with some heat. Look at that. Size 9.5, man. That is heat, you guys. That's what's up. Not necessarily the coolest looking shoe, but hella comfortable. Look at that leather, that soft leather. Got suede. Got the React bottom. You know that's gonna be comfortable as hell. Size 9.5 too. Comes with the extra laces and the box. Oh man, that's what's up. Comes with the box top too. Going for retail, 30%, 20% off. Can't complain about that, man. That's what's up. They got heat today, you guys. I already feel it. They're gonna have all kinds of good stuff. Super Bronze hitting for $159. Get that 20% off. Not a bad price. Get to the size 10s. These John Elliott's, $250. Dang, that's a little pricey. LeBron 10, John Elliott's. There's plenty of people that like those. Not too bad, not too bad. Got the Protros. Dang, look at that. Not bad, not bad. Kobe Protros. Go. This is my favorite colorway. Get 20%. So I bought these for my brother-in-law. I paid way more though. I paid way more. So you know what? That fool's gonna get lucky. That fool's gonna get lucky, and he's gonna save another $20. Lucky bastard. But yeah, the Clots, Air Max 97 Clots going for $90. $90, and you get 20% off. Oh, that's a for sure comp. For sure. Man, they got heat here, you guys. They got heat. Man, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, because I might cop a bunch of stuff. Let's keep looking, you guys. Keep looking. More Super Bronze 16s, 10.5, $169. A little pricey though. But yeah, could be better. But the Vapor Max 2019s, man, these are clean as hell. Look at this. I love baby blue. I just love this color, man. But yeah, $120, get 20% off. Yeah, that's a clean ass colorway, you guys. As I'm with the drop store, this is dope. Love this colorway. Love that colorway, man. Going for, what's this going for? $120, get 20% off. So under $100. Not bad. Pegasus 34, all black. Can't go with all black. $70, 30% off on top of that. Not one of the newer colorways. So yeah, good for running though. Or not one of the new silhouettes, my bad. Got some Air Force One highs, some suedes. Dang, Air Force One high suedes. I think we've seen this like a mustard colorway or some shit. And the colorway's pretty, you know, this it's gonna be a flavor thing. If this is your flavor, that's cool. If not, you know. But yeah, I got suede on the toe guard, canvas on the toe box, canvas in the middle right there, and suede on the back as well. Suede's a pretty good suede too, man. Pretty good suede. I think this is a premium pair. Man, why am I butterfingers today, man? I'm just dropping everything. But yeah, look at that price, $60, you guys, $60. Get 20% off on top of that. So you're gonna pay what? $48. $48, man. That's a steal right there. Some more Air Force Ones. Go for 70 bucks, huh? 70 bucks. Not too bad, not too bad. Get 20% off on top of that. Pegasus Turbos, buck and a quarter. Okay. Damn, look at this. Lakers colorway. The LeBrons, man. LeBron 17, Lakers colorway. That is dope. That's fire, you guys. Look at that. Might have been worn once or tried on at the store. But not bad. Good condition. Great condition. Hitting 200 MSRP. But get that 20% off. What's that? Not bad. Not bad, you guys. That's a solid find. Oh, got some more of these. Got a bunch, dude. $160. How did I ignore this? I went to the LeBrons. These are way doper than the LeBrons. Oh, the LeBron 16 Super Browns, because we've seen those a million times. But look at this, all black. All black, man. That's dope. Dope. Going for retail. You get that 20% off, though. 20% off. That's fire right there, man. That's fire. LeBron's Lakers colorway, multiple colors and multiple sizes. My bad. That's what's up. That's what's up. Some interesting Air Max.
Any of these are here.
$110. $110. Get that 20% off. Right next door. At 98s, man. Clean colorway. Not bad. Not bad. Got some Air Flight Posits 2s. The Kevin Garnett's. KGs, man. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. I don't want to pay that much, but not bad. Buck 29. You get 30% off. 20% off on top of that. My bad. 20%. They got a plethora. Probably just went to the clearance section from the aisles. Those are dope shoes. I do like those. Smaller sizes, 7.5, 8s, 9s, crowded, crazy crowded, and running low on a lot of stuff because there's a lot of people here. Got these, size 9 as well, size 8. They got a few of those. Size 11, got the Tailwinds, 90 bucks. Get that 20 off, 20%. Got more of these, man. These are just dope. Look, that other one, maybe that other one was price strong, or maybe this one's price strong. Because, yeah, that other one said $129. That's what's up. What? Did I say $119? I don't remember. But it was way lower than that. So if you ever see discrepancies in pricing, make sure you go ahead and check with the staff, man. They will scan that for you, and they will hook you up and let you know what the price is. Okay, the Vapor Max. These are no Vapor Max. What the hell? Oh, it's the Air Max Plus, though. Whatever, $139. There's some more Air Max Plus next to it. I don't know what the price that is. It's kind of been torn off. 11.5, I guess we're going to 110. 110, so that in smaller size, not shabby. Size 12, look at this. The LeBron 17, these are the brand new ones, all black with that shiny material on the bottom. Yeah, man. Let's see if our resident Jordan expert saw, or I said Jordan expert. See if our resident LeBron expert saw these.
Oh, yes.
Did you see that one already?
Yes, indeed. The currencies.
Yeah, I was surprised. Oh, okay, he already saw these. Of course, he would see these. He loves the LeBrons. Not bad though. 200 bucks. What do you get? 20% off. Not bad. See what these bad boys is going for. 89. Dang, I got mine for so much cheaper. 89. You get 20% off though. Solid deal. Solid deal. Up tempo 95. More Air Force High suedes. Got more of those. Still going for, what, 60 bucks, 30% off on the size 11.5 still. Oh, dang, I haven't seen these in a long time. LeBron 14 lows. Okay, going for 65. Saw these at the clearance center all day. Not no more. Not no more. And the size 12s. Haven't seen these in a while, you guys. Remember the B grade. Remember, these are the B grades. Oh, cosmetic, 2 seconds, what the heck? Yeah, these are the B grades, and these are the Mellow 13s. And why are they B grades? That right there, because the glue goes through. The glue went through so many of them. You can see the glue color, it's like a reddish color. That happened to so many of them, what's up, bro? They just made their way directly to the outlets at a fat discount. $159, that's how much they released for. They released for $159 plus. But you get 20% off, I guess. And these probably are kind of hard to find. I haven't seen these. They were in droves. They were out here so, they were out so much, but yeah, don't see them anymore. More up-tempos, kind of like a Chicago colorway. So for 90 bucks, those are the Scottie Pippens, so yeah. The Legacy 312s. So yeah, but going for 60 bucks, by the way, the Legacy 312 lows. So my son has this sneaker because someone bought it for him for Christmas. Does that mean I should get one too? So we could kind of rock them together? What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think, because kind of want to be a good dad, but I'm not a big fan of this shoe, so you guys let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please, please. Got these in 12 and a half, surprising. Oh, look, it says right here. That's that B-grade thing, Imperfection Cosmetic. Oh, that's that B-grade stamp right there. I thought I saw them look differently, but oh, cool. Got a couple 12 and a halves. Got these, the drop type LX. Been seeing these here and there. 50 bucks, 30% off, 20% off, I mean, not bad. You guys know they don't have that many 12 and a halves. So yeah, let's go to 13s. The up-tempos, same price. Chicago colorway, not bad. Not much in size 13, you guys. Odyssey React, going for 60 bucks, all black. Pretty dope. Got some Metcons. Guys, maybe it'll force you guys to go to the gym. It's not gonna force me because I'm too damn lazy. Yeah. Not much though, not much. Size 13. Got the size 16 right here. We got the LeBron MLPS. But yeah, not much else in size 13, you guys. Sorry. All right, let's look at the aisles, you guys. Look at the aisles, and we might have one of the biggest surprises. Look at this, Social Status 6s, you guys, and you get 20% off. That is freaking crazy. Look at that, the horsehair. You know, wonder if it comes with a brush. You need a brush, man, because it needs to go to the right direction. Let's look at the size 10, my size. Let's look at these. Let's look at these. Got the dope box, man. I really like this box. Ooh. Look at that. I think if I wore these, or if I copped them, they would get destroyed in like 12 minutes. With all that horsehair going the wrong direction. And yeah, these are dope though. I do like the color scheme too. Kind of like the grape color scheme. Kind of like a snake skin vibe right there. It is leather with the horsehair. Got that lace lock like it always does. Well, I don't know why my phone doesn't, or I don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus, but yeah. Dope, you guys, dope. What a find. That might be the, you know damn well these are going to be the thumbnail. The dope box too, look at that dope box. Yeah, this is definitely Cool Kicks deal of the day right here. These retailed for what, $250? Came out for $250 and going for what, $120 I think after the 30% off. Yeah, that's definitely the deal of the day, guys. Cool Kicks deal of the day. Let's get that stamp going. Yeah, man. $120, dude. $120. That's amazing. All right, let's check out the rest of the aisles. Got the Mars 270s, 20% off. Got the Orlando colorway. Okay, going for 100 bucks. Not bad. Get that 20 off. Remember, 20% off everything today. We got these bad boys. Already got these though. Shoot, who wore these, man? These used to be. Who wore these? Were these the Deion Sanders a while back? I don't remember. But someone used to wear these. This is the Philadelphia colorway right here. So he got heat. Look at this, 20% off for the KDs, you guys. KD 12s, that's crazy. Another sick deal, you guys. Holy crap. KD 12s, man. The Oreo colorway, or the Black Cement. That's crazy. With was it the Platinum colorway or something? Wolf grade. Yeah, it's 20% off, man. That's crazy. PG3s, man. Prices are crazy today. Soldier 13s go for 110. Not bad, not bad. These are what, 140 originally? Crazy. 270 utilities, 65, get that 20 off. Air Max Plus, 20% off. More Air Max Plus, damn, good. Got some Air Max 98s. Dope colorway, 20% off though. Still a little high for me, but not 20% off. These bad boys as well, like Tempo 95s. Yeah, we've seen these a bunch of places. It's kind of mediocre, these foam posits. Not a fan of the color. I don't know, just not a fan. Air Force highs, Air Force One highs, man, suede. Some nice materials, man. Go for 79 to 20. Dang, this is the best outlet trip, like, in at least a week for me. Of course, I go to a lot, like way more than all you guys, but yeah, man, this is crazy. Yeah, let's go check out the women's section, guys. Check out the women's section. Don't forget to like this video too. All right, let's check out the 8.5s for my niece. Yeah, there's 8.5 seems to be the smallest section in the clearance. Great, 8.5 is the smallest section. Look, just that one right there. Just that one show. Let me try the 9s. Let's go try the 9s. There's nothing here. Oh, 8.5. That's 8.5. The Air Max. Oh, these go for retail. Dope though. Look at that. It's all reflective on top too. That's dope. 160. Get that 20 off though. Oh, those of you guys who like really chunky sandals, the chunkiest sandals you've ever seen in your life, 90 bucks. These are normally $225 too. That's crazy. 90 bucks, 20% off. Checking the 9s for my niece. Really not much, dude. But you know what? I might be able to get something from the aisles since it's 20% off the aisles as well. So, MX 97, 100 bucks. Cool colorway, pink and black. Not bad. Some Legend Reacts, 50 bucks. Goes down to 80 after the discount. It's not bad. 270s. 270s down to 90 bucks. Not shabby. Not shabby. Some Air Force. I think this is the Gestures, right? Yeah, the Gesture highs. Not too bad. Going for 90 bucks, 30% off. 90 bucks, 20% off. Normally 130. That's not too shabby. Size 7.5 for the women now. 100 bucks for these. 100 bucks, get that 20 off. The guys section is 10 times better than the women's here. 7.5. Got the Pegasus 35. That's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. It's the premium edition. 60 bucks, get 20% off. Got some Shocks. The Neymars, okay, the R4 Neymars. Not bad. It's all reflective on top. Looks like it's all reflective material on top. All the Nike signs, swooshes on the side. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. What these hitting for? The Neymars go for retail. Retail, you get 20 off at least. Dang, the women's section looking really mediocre compared to the guys. So let's go for 135. Get 20 off on top of that. It's not too bad. 20% off this. Not too shabby. Not a big fan of the colorway. Okay, the running shoes, not too bad, especially since it's all 20% off. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. This might be the best deal. Oh, this is for the kids though. Okay, still not a bad deal for kids. Back in the women's section, Element 55s, not too bad. 20% off all these, so not bad at all. Not too shabby. Didn't we see these for like $55 at the Citadel? I swear we saw these for way cheaper. These go for 105. 105, get that 20% off. How was the men's section that dope and then the women's section that disappointing? Like, I don't know why they do that sometimes. I don't know what. Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap things up, you guys. We're gonna wrap it up. Maybe make this purchase and get the hell out of here. We'll see. All right, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. Gonna wrap this up. All right, so I didn't end up buying the clots. They were 20% off. They were cheaper, but they were only 20% off. So I looked at how much I paid. It was $5, and it would have been a $5 savings. And that line was nuts. That line was nuts. So I was like, I'm not trying to save $5 and spend 45 minutes in line. So it is what it is. We're gonna hit up a couple other shops here. So you guys, make sure you guys pay attention to upcoming content. So there's gonna be plenty coming. You guys know. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you're new to my channel. Yeah, thanks for joining, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.